Are you on the hunt for the perfect camera to elevate your photography game? Look no further. Sony has long been a leader in the camera industry, renowned for producing high-quality devices that cater to both professionals and enthusiasts alike. In this video, we'll take a look at some of the best Sony cameras available today, highlighting their unique features and capabilities. Whether you're capturing stunning landscapes, fast-paced action, or intimate portraits, there's a Sony camera that will meet your needs. Let's dive in and find your ideal match. If you want to see the price and find out more information about these products, you can check out the links in the description below. And make sure you like the video, subscribe our channel, and hit the bell icon for future updates. Without further ado, let's get started with the list. Starting our list with number 5, we have the Sony Alpha ZV-E1. If you're a vlogger or content creator seeking professional quality results, the Sony Alpha ZV-E1 offers the advanced features you need in a compact package. As the first full-frame camera specifically designed for content creators, it combines high-end technology with user-friendly operation. You'll benefit from the camera's AI-powered autofocus and framing assistance, which handles the technical aspects while you focus on your creativity. This makes it particularly valuable when you're filming yourself without additional crew. Your low-light footage will show remarkable clarity thanks to the same sensor technology found in Sony's acclaimed A7S III. When you're creating content in challenging lighting conditions from sunset shoots to dimly lit interiors, the ZV-E1 captures clean, detailed imagery. You won't need to worry about shaky footage with the built-in in-body image stabilization system stabilizing your handheld shots. Your audio quality remains professional with the camera's internal directional microphone, saving you from carrying additional sound equipment. For you as a creator who values post-production flexibility, the 10-bit 422 internal recording capability provides extensive color grading options. You can select from various picture profiles and codecs to achieve your specific creative vision. Whether you're building your channel or refining your established brand, the Sony Alpha ZV-E1 delivers professional capabilities in a form factor designed for your mobile, creator-focused workflow. Your investment in this camera translates directly to enhanced production value across all your content. At number 4, Sony Alpha ZV-E1. If you're a hybrid shooter who loves capturing both stunning photos and high-quality videos, the Sony Alpha ZV-E1 might just be the camera you've been searching for. Whether you're a freelance photographer, wedding shooter, or simply enjoy documenting your travels, this versatile camera excels in both realms, making it a fantastic choice for your creative needs. With its impressive 33-megapixel resolution, you can create breathtaking images that are rich in detail. The Sony Alpha ZV-E1 also allows you to shoot 4K video at 60 pixel, delivering professional-grade footage thanks to 7K oversampling. Need to ramp up the action? It handles 4K at 120 frames per second in crop mode, ensuring you capture every moment beautifully. While the newer Sony Alpha 7C2 is more compact, the features of the Sony Alpha ZV-E1 stand out for those who plan to use their camera professionally. With dual SD card slots, excellent handling, and a high-quality electronic viewfinder, the Alpha ZV-E1 offers the reliability and performance that serious shooters need. It's designed for versatility, whether you're shooting in bright daylight or dimly lit settings. Each feature is crafted to elevate your skill set and enhance your storytelling. Interested in exploring further? Click the link below to check for any discounts that might be available. Your next adventure in photography and videography could be just around the corner with the Sony Alpha ZV-E1 by your side. Number 3, we have the Sony Alpha ZV-E10. The Sony Alpha ZV-E10 stands out as an exceptional entry-level camera in Sony's lineup, perfect for those of you who want quality without breaking the bank. Although it's designed with vloggers in mind, this camera offers fantastic value for photography enthusiasts as well, provided you're comfortable without a viewfinder. The ZV-E10 features a fully articulated screen, allowing you to easily frame yourself while recording videos or capturing selfies. This is a game changer for anyone creating content, as it provides more flexibility and convenience in your shooting process. Plus, it boasts an improved internal microphone and a headphone jack, ensuring your audio quality is just as impressive as your visuals. While it's primarily built for video, don't underestimate its photo capabilities. You'll enjoy excellent image quality, quick burst shooting, and impressive battery life, perfect for extended sessions. Though the autofocus isn't quite as refined as in Sony's higher-end models, it remains reliable for most situations. If you're starting your photography journey or looking to enhance your vlogging experience, the Sony ZV-E10 is a compelling choice that balances performance and affordability. Embrace the opportunity to take stunning shots and create engaging content without the need for high-end equipment. With this camera in your hands, you're well equipped to unleash your creativity. At number 2, Sony Alpha ZV-E1. If you're searching for that sweet spot between performance and price in the mirrorless camera market, the Sony Alpha ZV-E1 deserves your attention. This camera offers remarkable capabilities without demanding a premium price tag, perfect for photographers at any stage of their journey. You'll appreciate how the Alpha ZV-E1 delivers exceptional image quality, even though it's not Sony's newest release. Your creative vision comes to life through its excellent sensor and compatibility with Sony's extensive lens lineup. When you're on the go, its compact size becomes a genuine advantage, slipping easily into your bag for family gatherings, travel adventures, or spontaneous creative outings. Your vlogging aspirations are well supported here too. The flip-up screen helps you frame yourself perfectly, while the reliable autofocus keeps you sharp and clear throughout your videos. You should know about some trade-offs. The menu system feels dated compared to newer models, and you might find the grip less comfortable during extended shooting sessions. Battery life could leave you wanting more during full-day excursions. Yet these limitations fade when you consider what you're getting for your investment. Your photography skills can grow with this camera, which offers enough advanced features to challenge you without overwhelming your learning curve or your budget. For you as an enthusiast looking to elevate your visual storytelling without significant financial strain, the Alpha ZV-E1 represents that rare balance of capability and value that can serve your creative needs for years to come. And finally, the number 1 of our list, Sony Alpha ZV-E700. If you're seeking professional-grade imagery without the professional price tag, the Sony Alpha ZV-E700 deserves your attention. This mid-range APS-C mirrorless camera delivers exceptional value through its thoughtfully designed feature set. You'll immediately notice the difference with its higher resolution sensor and enhanced processing power. Your videos will reach new heights with 4K recording at up to 120 frames per second, and internal 10-bit log capability, giving you greater control during post-production. Your handheld shots will remain remarkably steady thanks to the Alpha ZV-E700's advanced in-body image stabilization. This technology compensates for camera movement, ensuring your images stay crisp even in challenging shooting environments. You'll rarely miss a crucial moment with Sony's latest AI-powered autofocus system. The camera intelligently identifies and tracks subjects with remarkable precision, allowing you to concentrate on composition rather than focusing concerns. Your creative vision deserves a versatile tool that adapts to various shooting scenarios. Whether you're documenting family milestones or pursuing artistic projects, the Alpha ZV-E700 responds with reliability and exceptional output quality. You're investing in more than just a camera. You're gaining a responsive creative partner that grows with your skills. As you explore photography and videography, the Alpha ZV-E700's intuitive interface, coupled with professional-grade capabilities, provides the perfect balance of accessibility and performance. For your creative journey, the Sony Alpha ZV-E700 stands ready as one of the most capable mirrorless cameras in its class. As always, you will find all the links of these products in the description below. Comment below and tell us which Sony camera you are considering. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, then like and share this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more amazing videos like this.